Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video here on Ripple and XRP. We're going to do a brief update heading into next week. Obviously in the weekend we have not gotten any new fundamentals or news coming in. Regarding Ripple, the last news that we had obviously was, a combination of bullish market circumstances, which is news right now. And of course the XRP ETF application that they acknowledged it. I mean, that doesn't really mean anything yet, but the market considered that as bullish, and since then we've broken above this level here at 2.7. Yesterday we did not really have any movement. I mean, you can see we're actually finding some balance on top of the level, right? So sort of major level is between 2.7 and 2.55. So finding balance on top of that, it's great, but I do think, I mean, finding balance kind of in the weekend is always less trustworthy than finding balance in the week, all right? So what I told you yesterday as well, I mean, what we need to see right now, and that's going to be the main test for XRP, is that, well, can we actually hold this level? And when the volume is going to increase, all right, so when trading activity increases and institutions and big traders and retail comes back in, which, you know, they continue over the course of the weekend, but to a lesser extent. Volume is down 51%, for example, and volume is down from the highs right here, from 9.5 to 3.8. That's a decrease of about 60%, right? So the volume, well, 60, 70, something like that. I don't know, quick maths. So the volume is down a lot, and the price short has remained there. But like I said, if the price is able to stay on top of a level with a volume that's dropping down, that doesn't really say anything. We need to see what happens when the volume goes up. So short term, it actually looks like today we're going to get some bearish momentum. That's possible. I mean, a Sunday can be quite volatile, and given the volume across the market, it's not only for XRP. But given that the volume across the market is very low, we're going to get a lot of volatility, and that's fine. I mean, like I said, we talked yesterday about the fact that I did think it was most likely that XRP would test this level right here, and then especially around 2.65. I would say 2.65 is right now kind of the combination point where all of the EMAs come together, and where you can also see the 382 VIP on the 4-hour time frame, but also on the 12 and the 12-hour time frame and the daily time frame. That level at 2.65 and 2.6 is technically the most important level. So the main question is all right, well, do you think the breakout we got at the end of last week is a real breakout or not? And that's also something you have to think about yourself, all right? If you think it's a real breakout, and I think most of you will think it's a real breakout, because obviously, I mean, if you watch these videos, you have a bit of an optimistic bias for XRP. But really think about it. All right, we broke out because the XRP ETF was acknowledged, the application. Does that really say that much about the Ripple SEC case? I personally do think so. All right, so that's why I think it's most likely that we will retest this level, but that we will be able to actually find some balance with higher volume, and that we will be able to hold a breakout and get a move into that area at 2.95 and $3. So that's what I think is most likely. However, I will not be trading this. I think it's too uncertain for that, given the general market circumstances right now. And outside of that, it's not a guarantee, right? And most of you know that. Most of you know that these videos, I mean, basically, I mean, if you're doing analysis, it's always probabilities, right? So I think given the move that we had, given the breakout, and given what I expect from the markets, which is also still leaning bullish short term, I would say this is most likely. But be aware of the importance of 2.65, right? If we do not get any strength from 2.65 in the, like, later on today or tomorrow morning, just know that that's a bad sign, and I'll keep you updated on that as soon as possible. But that's kind of the first signal you could get that this will be invalidated and that will drop back down, which is a possibility. But like I said, this is my prediction. If we do fall down, I was wrong, and I'll be back with a new update real soon. But those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday, and bye.